So we are at Bosqueville, and I'm going to start exploring some places. My friend and her dad's are in church. It's a nice historical church too. So there's some houses around here. I'm going to be walking. I'm not taking the car out. So there's a Halloween decoration right there. I'm also, there's a cute pitty with those Halloween decorations. Cute pitty. There's also a cemetery that we're about to go and do. Look around. Along there's also another house with Halloween decorations. But look at that nice historical church though. If you guys want me to, I'm probably going to put in a research, the research, what do you call it, list, so we can look up this church and stuff. So let's see what we can find. I'm also uploading stuff too. So, and it's a beautiful day.